Looking for more visibility in your Can-Am Defender? Well, today we're going to show you how to install SuperATV's rear view mirror, so let's jump right in. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab our mirror. We're going to go ahead and open up our hardware kit, and we're going to find two small Allen headed screws, and then this plate right here. So what we're going to do is attach the plate to the mirror using these two screws. And the way we attach this piece right here, it just threads right into the back side of the mirror. It's very easy to do, and then you just take a wrench and you can tighten it right up. So what we'll do is we'll get our mirror sitting here, line our holes up, and we'll grab a little Loctite and our Allen wrench. I'll go ahead and put the screws on the end of the Allen wrench here. Get our Loctite for a little bit. Go ahead and put our screws down through our mirror. Line it up with our bracket. Then just do the same thing for the other screw. Then we're going to take this bracket right here and the shorter of the two hardware. Slide your bolts through. Take our nuts and get them started as well. And we'll go ahead and we'll fully tighten this hardware once we have it started. And we'll grab the two longer bolts. And we'll go up here, and we're gonna have three holes. You can position it on the right of the two holes or on the left. We're gonna put it on the left of the two holes. So what we'll do is we'll take one of our bolts, drop it down through the cage, and then hold our bracket into place. Take our nut. Get it started. Do the same thing, drop this bolt down through, line it up. Cut the nut. And then we'll go ahead and fully tighten the hardware here. And that's it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear view mirror on this Can-Am Defender. For more information on this rear view mirror or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.